Hi there, my name is Kevin, and I'm a web development project manager with loads of experience managing remote teams using tools like ClickUp, Asana, Miro, Trello, Basecamp, and Slack. I'm great at breaking down projects into sprints, collaborating with developers, and testing for quality. Oh, and I also know my way around project management best practices and have worked with early stage startups so I can help you keep things running smoothly. But that's not all. I also worked as a communications VA who specialized in time management and delegation. I'll set up efficient communication channels for everyone involved and create documentation to streamline processes. I'll learn your routine and build a plan to get rid of repetitive tasks so you can focus on the most important work. Plus, I can handle both personal and business tasks so you don't have to worry about juggling different projects. In the past, I worked as a writer and I've ghostwritten about personal development, finance, productivity, food and travel, online marketing, and sports fitness and nutrition over 5 years. I've also got a great track record in customer service and tech support, consistently receiving top feedback from customers. Plus, I'm a pro at turning support calls into sales calls. And finally, with 10 years of experience in sales and marketing, including 4 years in leadership support and training, I'm confident in my ability to help you take your business to the next level, no matter what industry you're in. I invite you to connect with me so we can discuss how my unique skill set can help drive your business forward. Let's work together to achieve your goals and make your vision a reality. Reach out to me on Upwork and let's get started on your next project.